The Cuninico oil spill of 2014 marked one of the largest environmental disasters in the Peruvian Amazon. The spill led to widespread contamination, severely impacting the local indigenous communities. In response, these communities began a protracted legal battle against Petroperu, the state-owned oil company responsible for the spill. This case highlights the role of environmental activism in holding corporations accountable. Local indigenous groups partnered with human rights lawyers and civil society organizations to bring Petroperu to court. Their aim was to secure justice and remediation for the environmental and health damage caused by the spill. One of the significant changes over the last 2 decades is the shift in the institutional opportunity structure. Peru has seen the development of a more independent judiciary and stronger environmental legislation. These changes have provided a better framework for addressing environmental issues, although challenges remain. Despite the improvements in environmental regulation, achieving timely justice has been difficult. The affected communities faced a slow process, often described as lawfare, due to the lengthy and burdensome nature of legal battles. However, their persistence has led to crucial legal victories. In 2020, a landmark ruling mandated financial compensation for the affected communities. This decision was a significant triumph, recognizing the harm caused by the oil spill and the need for restitution. Yet the long delay in achieving justice has left an uncertain future for these communities. The case underscores the importance of an embryonic environmental state in producing evidence of environmental harm. Regulatory agencies, though weak and autonomous, played a role in sanctioning Petroperu. However, these measures were insufficient to provide timely protection for the affected communities. The legal struggle against oil pollution in the Peruvian Amazon demonstrates the complexities of environmental justice. Indigenous communities, despite facing numerous obstacles, continue to fight for their rights and the restoration of their environment. Their efforts exemplify resilience and the demand for accountability. This case also reveals the shortcomings of the current environmental protection framework. While legal avenues exist, the slow pace of justice often undermines the effectiveness of these mechanisms. The need for more robust and timely responses to environmental crises is evident. Environmental activism in Peru has had to navigate a challenging landscape. The judiciary's increased independence and improved environmental laws have provided some support, but the journey towards justice remains arduous. The Cuninico case serves as a poignant reminder of these ongoing struggles. The cooperation between indigenous communities, human rights lawyers, and civil society groups highlights the power of collective action. Their united front has been crucial in challenging powerful entities like Petroperu and seeking redress for the damages caused. Financial compensation, as mandated by the court, is a significant step towards justice. However, the true measure of success will be seen in the actual restoration of the environment and the well-being of the affected communities. The road ahead remains fraught with challenges. The Cuninico oil spill case is a testament to the tenacity of those fighting for environmental justice. Despite the slow progress and numerous hurdles, the affected communities have continued their pursuit of accountability and remediation. Their story is one of perseverance and hope. Legal victories, though important, are just one aspect of the broader struggle for environmental justice. The implementation of court rulings and the actual remediation of contaminated areas are critical next steps. Ensuring that these measures are realized is essential for true justice. The future of environmental justice in the Peruvian Amazon is uncertain. The Cuninico case has set a precedent, but much work remains to be done. Strengthening regulatory frameworks and ensuring timely responses to environmental disasters are vital for the protection of vulnerable communities. This case study sheds light on the broader issues of environmental governance in Peru. It calls for a reevaluation of how environmental laws are enforced and the need for more proactive measures to prevent such disasters. Learning from the Cuninico case can help shape better policies. Indigenous communities continue to face significant threats from industrial activities. The Cuninico oil spill is just one example of the many challenges they encounter. Ongoing support from legal and civil society organizations is crucial in their fight for justice and environmental protection. The role of the judiciary in environmental cases is critical. An independent and effective judiciary can provide a platform for holding polluters accountable. The Cuninico case illustrates the impact that a more autonomous judiciary can have on environmental justice. The environmental harm caused by the Cuninico oil spill has long-lasting effects. Addressing these impacts requires sustained efforts and commitment from all stakeholders. The lessons learned from this case can guide future actions and policies to better protect the environment and communities. The Cuninico oil spill has spurred a broader movement for environmental justice in the Peruvian Amazon. It has raised awareness about the importance of protecting vulnerable communities and the need for systemic changes in how environmental issues are addressed. Community resilience and activism have been at the heart of the legal struggle against Peru. Their determination to seek justice and remediation serves as an inspiring example for other communities facing similar challenges. Their fight continues to shape the narrative of environmental justice. The case of the Cuninico oil spill is a stark reminder of the consequences of industrial negligence. It emphasizes the need for stronger regulations and enforcement mechanisms to prevent such disasters and ensure accountability when they occur. Environmental justice is not just about legal victories. It's about restoring the health and well-being of affected communities. The ongoing efforts to address the aftermath of the Cuninico oil spill highlight the importance of comprehensive and sustained remediation efforts. The collaboration between different stakeholders in the Cuninico case demonstrates the power of collective action. It underscores the need for continued support and solidarity among indigenous communities, legal advocates, and civil society in the pursuit of environmental justice. The journey towards environmental justice in the Peruvian Amazon is ongoing. The lessons from the Cuninico oil spill can inform future actions and policies aimed at better protecting the environment and ensuring the rights and well-being of indigenous communities. The fight for justice must continue. It must